is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos and blog posts, I have a course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. And I recently published my planner. I have a dated and an undated version of the Divine Life and Home Planner. The course and the planner is used to help you maintain a well-balanced life and home. So, as the title of this video suggests, I am going to unbox some Amazon products for review. Yes, I am an Amazon influencer, and I am always giving boxes of items to review. So we're going to open up some boxes and some bags today, and if there's something in particular that you would like to see me do an in-depth review on, please let me know and I will do so. So first, let me put my glasses on so I can see, and let's get started. So I am an Amazon influencer. I actually also have an Amazon storefront. So many of the things that I recommend, you can find them in an Amazon storefront. Okay, so this is some LOV lip butter. I guess it's kind of like lip balm, which I love a good lip balm. So I definitely will be reviewing this and leaving my honest opinion. But I don't even remember saying I wanted it, but I got it. Okay, let's see. No. See, this is why I'm not supposed to cut the bag. Okay. It is, or was, well, it still is. It's a wig, but I did not cut the wig. Oh my God, I'm so happy I didn't cut the wig. So this is a Maxine wig, a lace front wig. And you may not be able to see, but from the looks so far, like that lace is almost invisible. So this is a 12-inch wig. It's human hair. I'm so happy I didn't cut it. So I will, when I take, these down, I will be reviewing all of my wig videos, all of my wig products. Okay, so I have to be careful, but this is a box, so I will be careful of opening it. See what happens when you get too excited? Okay, so this is an auto face tracking selfie stick tripod. So this is going to be good. So this is great for like a vlogger, YouTuber, blogger. You put your phone there, and as you're moving around, it actually will move and rotate. So I'm definitely looking forward to that product. Okay, so make sure everything is down before I cut. And I'm only cutting just because I want to save time. So this is a detangling hairbrush, which you can never have enough brushes. So yeah, this is a detangling brush. It's really good. I can't wait to use it. It says it's for wet or dry hair, and it's detangling. So that's a good thing. All right. So I'm going to just, open it that way. Oh, this is something, it is, oh, it's a gold-plated shell initial necklace. So I actually got these for my daughters. It's 2 of them. I'll just open one so you can see. Comes in a nice little, velvet bag. And it's like a little, oh, it's so cute. An initial necklace. So I have 2 for them. And I mean, it comes in like a little gift bag. And then it's all this little thing right here. So yeah, that's neat. Let's see what's next. Okay. This is electric nail clipper for kids, baby, and the elderly. So nail clippers, you can never have enough of some things. A brush, you can never have enough brushes. You can never have enough nail clippers. You can never have enough lace front wigs either. Okay, so in one of my videos, someone asked, can I return the items, or if I can pick what I want, or do they just randomly send me things? So the answer is no, I cannot return the items. They are mine. And yes, I do actually pick what I want. There's like a list of things that I actually can go through and pick what I want. So, oh, this is something for my baby Simon. Yes, he is my 17-year-old Maltese. You've seen him in videos. You may even hear him in the background crying. But this is a activity mat. So this will go in his room. And yes, Simon has his own room. And I think I haven't shared that video before, but I will share that video. But this is a mat, like an activity mat. I don't know if he'll like it. You know, you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but it's supposed to, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if he likes it. But yeah, I saw this and I thought, okay, great. I'll give it for Simon. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So far, you know, I think I'm gonna like everything today. Okay, this is, oh, a makeup cleaner brush. So makeup brushes, oh my God, it's like they absorb everything. So I'm really looking forward to cleaning it with this brush and see how it works. It's supposed to be electronic, and you're just supposed to put the brush in, and it's supposed to like just whirl around and clean it. I really hope this works. They will get a very good review from me. I mean, I'm going to do a good review. I really need to clean my brushes. I'll just say that. Okay. What's in this box? It's a weird shaped box. Let's see what we have here. This is an outdoor, oh, this is an outdoor rug. Okay. It's a 5x8 outdoor rug. I'm not going to open it because it's like a map. Once you open it up, you can't put it back. But this is a rug that goes on the outdoor patio. So I will probably save, not probably, I will save this a little later till it's, you know, it is spring, but it's kind of cool. You know, Mother Nature doesn't know what it wants to do, whether it wants to rain, snow, or whatever. So once it's actually spring and warm, I have some new patio things I'm going to put on the patio. So I'll put this there. But I will show you what this looked like, and we'll do like the review of it later. Okay, so now there is this big box, and I kind of have a feeling what it is. It's heavy. It's too big, I can't lift it up. So I'm just gonna get off camera for a second. You'll just hear me open up this box. Oh yes, it is exactly what, see, if I would have had this thing going, the camera would have zoomed this way. Okay. So this, my dear, is a wagon. Yes! I'm so happy to have a wagon. So, yes. So, anywho, those are the things that we had for today. Pretty good. The outdoor mat, the wagon, this little thing for Simon, the makeup cleanser brush, the tracking tripod, the electric nail clipper, jewelry, the detangling brush, a new lace front human hair wig that I actually almost destroyed, and some lip balm. So tell me, what do you think about the items that I have to review this week? Is there anything in particular you would like to see me do a video on, a dedicated video on that item? And just kind of let me know what you think. So thanks so much for tuning into on this video and watching with me and helping me unbox these things. I think the first thing I'm going to do is open up this wagon because I'm so excited about this wagon. So, yes, sir. So, anywho, thank you. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want more information about how to become an influencer, how to get these items for free to review, let me know. But as you can hear Simon in the background, he's ready for me to go and get him so he can open up his or play with his toy. But thank you very much, and you have a divine day. Goodbye.